This Legal Minute is brought to you by the award-winning lawyers at Buckfire Law.
Should I talk to the insurance adjuster after my car accident? You should be very careful speaking to an insurance adjuster after your car accident. Adjusters are trained to interrogate you and get information to destroy your claim. They often record phone calls without your knowledge and use those recordings to deny your benefits. Some insurance adjusters can be helpful after an accident, and it is okay to speak to them. These include the property damage adjuster for your car repairs and the no-fault insurance adjuster assisting you with your claims for medical bills and lost wages. However, you should never speak to the insurance adjuster for the driver that caused the accident. Those adjusters are looking for ways to avoid paying you a settlement. You may accidentally say something that will ruin your case. Also, you should never sign any papers without having a lawyer review them first. You may be signing away your rights to important benefits forever. Our award-winning lawyers help people like you after car accidents every day. Let us fully evaluate your case so we can help you win the highest possible settlement. For your free, immediate, and no-obligation case review, call the Buckfire Law Firm now at 855-LAW-2322. It costs no money to start your case, and we only get paid after you receive your settlement check.